If you want to go far in anything, how to read the Quran, how to speak classical Arabic, or how to write, one thing is very sure: you have to build yourself on the Arabic letters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to Al Arqam Institute for Arabic Language. My name is Saleh Yusuf, popularly known as Abu Lubaba, the founder and the director Al Arqam Institute. Today, inshallah, we will be looking at Huruf al Arabiya, that is Arabic letters, which is the basis of anything that has to do with I want to learn how to read the Quran fluently. I want to speak, I want to write Arabic. You need to find your way to perfect this letter you are seeing on the board. It is very important not just to know how to read it, but the correct and proper pronunciation. And at the end of this video, we are going to achieve one thing: the proper pronunciation of Huruf al-Arabiya. Firstly, this Huruf al-Hijahiyya that you are seeing on the board, you can call it Huruf al-Hijahiyya, that is Arabic alphabet. And at times you can see it in other textbook as Huruf al-Arabiya, still Arabic letters, or you see it as Huruf al-Mabani, still Arabic letters. Today we start with the first one. There are 29 in number, while in some tests, that is in some textbook, you see it as 28, but either 29 or 28, what we want to achieve is how to read them perfectly. Number one, we have Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, 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 Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Ho, Dal, Dal, Dhal, Dhal, Ro, Ro, Za, Za, Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin, Sod, Sod, Dod, Dod, To, To, Tho, Tho, Ain, Ain, Ghoin, Ghoin, Fa, Fa, Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Nun, Nun, How, How, Wow, Wow, Ya, Ya. This is the last one, and it is pronounced Ya. Now, we're going to take it once again, but this second time, we are going to be focusing on how it is pronounced, how the two lips, or how the movement of our mouth. Now, let's take it one by one. Alif, Alif, Ba, 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 Ta, Ta, Ta. Next one is Tha, 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 Jim, Jim, Jim. Next one is Ha, Ha. You can see Ha, Ha, Ha. Then the next one is Ho, 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 Ho. Dal, Dal. Now, this Dal, as if you want to call Dad. Dal, Dal. Then the next one is Dhal, 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 ro, ro. This one is as if you want to call Z, za, za, za. The next one is sin, as if you are calling somebody. Sin, sin. The next one is shin, shin. Then why this one is sod? You can see, you know, there's difference between this one that I say and this one, sod, sod, sod. Then this one is bod.